weird one, bringing my brother's bike to his job. But the crazy thing is that I'm wearing my helmet. I got his helmet strapped to my waist. I'm wearing his gloves. I'm wearing my pouch and his pouch. So I look like I have a whole bunch of luggage on me right now. And I gotta ride like this for 15 minutes. This is gonna be the nice little video of me just bringing my brother's bike to his job while wearing all the equipment. I'm gonna see if he can take a picture of me when I get there. That way I'll use that picture as the thumbnail. So that's today's video. Have to follow me if he wants to. But that's today's video. It's a nice weather today. Finally, one of my days off, I got nice weather. That hasn't happened in a long time, so I gotta take advantage. Get this contact in today. We're speed limit demons today. I got way too much luggage on me. His helmet is way too expensive for me to drop it. So gotta get there quick and save. I'll put the helmet strap around my waist. There's no way in hell that should come undone. I mean, at least I trust it that much. Those straps don't mess around, so hopefully it doesn't fly off on me, and if it does, I'm gonna have to buy him a new helmet and a cardo. Has the cardo on it. So this is fun though. I never driven with this much luggage on me. That'll probably look funny as hell. These gloves feel big as hell on me, but they're nice gloves. I like them. Ooh, is that a Cybertruck? That is a Cybertruck. See that? Ooh, that is a Cybertruck. Thing literally looks like a square box, like a metal square box, huh? That thing's nice. Hey, that thing's sick. Look, give me flexing on that thing too. Here. I have no idea where I'm going either, guys, and I can barely see my GPS. Oh, look, the Cybertruck flexing, bro. Oh, that thing is sick. That's funny. Yeah, but I have no idea where I'm going, so I gotta pay attention to the GPS a lot here. I think I missed the exit already. It's cool though. We'll figure it out. At least I saw a Cybertruck, so put that in the video. I know you guys hear that auto blipper. Going crazy. Oh, this is a nice curve if I didn't have a whole bunch of equipment on me. I also have this pouch like a strapped around my neck. It doesn't feel too good. But yeah, man, that's today's video. Basically, I'm gonna ride over there, make sure I get him his bike so we could ride later. Hopefully I'll record some other video later on my bike. I haven't driven my bike in a week. I've been driving this thing. I keep saying driving, but I mean riding. I've been riding this thing for over a week now. I haven't rode mine at all. So hopefully I get to ride it today. After later on in the afternoon. I got a couple things I gotta do today, and then hopefully I'll hop on my bike. I'm bringing his bike to his job, that way when he gets out of work we can just go straight to riding. He gets out of work at 4, so that'll be a nice little ride. Right now it's a little cool. It's supposed to be like 90 something degrees today. No rain. Finally no rain. First day without no rain, so that's really good. What's that guy doing? His gloves feel so much bigger on my hands than my own gloves. Feels crazy. Got some big ass hands. But at least I'm doing a little bit of city riding with the bike. I wanted to show you guys that on the YouTube, so now you guys know what it looks like. This bike is definitely a highway bike, for sure. Right back on the highway, baby. I'm so scared that the helmet's gonna fly off my waist if I go too fast. And I feel like I have no movement. I feel like I can't move too much either, so it's kind of dangerous. I can't look to the back. And he doesn't have mirrors for me to look back, so. I think I'm gonna just hold the helmet like this just in case. I don't want to fly around. I don't know if you guys can tell how I'm holding it, but I'm holding the helmet. But we'll get there. Shortly but surely we'll get there. We'll make it happen. Thank you very much. Make it there, baby, fast and quick. My arm's starting to hurt, but it don't really matter. Only 5 minutes away, man. Not that bad. Not that bad of a ride. Good thing this bike has a quick shifter, so I don't necessarily have to clutch down. I could keep holding the helmet and just downshift without having to touch the clutch because of the auto flipper. That's why I keep telling you guys, man, this auto flipper thing is like another level. When it comes to this motorcycle stuff, it is definitely another level. Like literally. Right here I have to slow down. I'm in 5th gear, going 60, right? And I'm coming up to a curve. I need a clutch in a downshift. No, I don't. I just need a downshift. 1, right? 2. Then I start turbo braking and then down, boom, one-hander the whole way. How to ride with one hand. How to ride with one hand, how to take turns with one hand. I'm still holding the helmet. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not letting go of the helmet, except for now. But now you have to clutch in if you're coming to a stop, right? Ugh. Hopefully nobody comes behind me and kills me. My helmet is trash. So I definitely need to get another one. If you guys have any suggestions of what helmets I should get, please let me know. I'll take it into consideration. I am not rich, so do not put no $3,000 helmet in the comments down below and think I'm gonna buy it. Let's be realistic now, guys. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. So put a good options in there that I could probably get that helps me with the wind, so you guys don't hear as much wind as you do now. That's my main goal for my next helmet. I'm turning here. I'm gonna have him take a picture of me.